Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. Creating from the unknown. Once you let go of the old personality of doubt, fear, and pessimism, you'll walk into uncharted territory and claim it yours. You'll know the best means of creation is from the unknown, for you cannot create from sameness. You'll walk with joy in your heart, smile at the adversity with no intimidation, just newfound wisdom and a newfound life. You're always creating yourself anew every day, and the unknown is the best starting point and vantage point. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I believe this with all my heart and soul. You need to let go of the past. Okay, sometimes, I guess all the time, it's good to sit and think about something that happened, but then let it go. Quit bringing it back, because I find what a lot of times used to happen to me. I used to always think about things, figure it out, and then 2 days later, or a day later, or 2 hours later, I'd start thinking about it again. And then completely change my mind and completely change the whole story almost. Anybody can do that. Most people do it when they live by the ego. Just let that go. Think of whatever was bugging you. Figure it out in that moment and then let it go. Either way, no matter what the result is, let it go. Stop thinking about it. Stop going back to it. You're going to make yourself crazy. I believe if you just follow your heart, like the poem says, dig deep, let go of the old thoughts and react. Don't worry about what anybody thinks. Follow what makes you happy. Truly happy, not ego stuff. We'll dig deep for that. Something that makes you very joyful. Whatever that is, do that. No matter what anybody thinks or says or does. Since I've been doing that and let go of past, things have been happening so amazing for me. My life has changed completely. It's beautiful. I love it. And I love doing this, reading poems for everybody. Danny's imagination is just, it's amazing. It's beautiful. I consider him one of the great minds of the world. And I put him right along with Neville Goddard, and I'm not sure if I say his last name properly, but also Dr. Joseph Murphy. Brilliant minds. I'm going to continue doing this for the rest of my life, because I believe Danny's work needs to get out there. But until next time, thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.